Hi, sir. Good morning. Sir, there have been complaints about some Chinese restaurants or establishments na hindi daw tumatanggap ng mga Filipino customers because exclusive daw for Chinese nationals. How do you plan to address this, sir?
Well, we have to investigate that. If that is true, we cannot allow that to happen. They cannot be discriminating against Filipinos.
Because,
It's
sir,
a public business, and therefore it should cater to all.
kasi sir, si Senator Panfilo Lacson is calling on government agencies para daw sa closure nitong mga establishments na ganito. Do you agree to his call?
We have to investigate first to the truth of the report. We will ask Secretary Bello to conduct an investigation on the same.